Hello dear students, in this class today we shall be looking for GulMohar class 7th for the session 2024 to 35. Okay, this is the new book. You can see that based on NEP or NCF. So we shall be looking for this book. Okay, so lesson number 1, which is the MCC. First I'll tell you what is the full form of MCC. Okay, so MCC, it is written by R.K. Narayan. You know that MCC is Malgudi Cricket Club. If you will study the chapter, you will be getting these things. Here in this video, we shall be looking for the question answer based on this chapter. Okay. So the very first question, that is understanding the text, which is given on your book. You can check the book, page number 5. Page number 5. So it says what? See, complete the table. Okay, what we know from the text. See, this text has been given here. It is asking what we know from the text, how we know it. So how we know it, that you have to study. What we know, let us study about this. Swaminathan had no real interest in cricket. He just wanted to do what Rajan did. We find it in paragraph number 1. How we know it. So we know it. Let us see the answer. See, we know it how, because he tried to carry the scores of popular players in his head, just like Rajan. But in vain, he also collected pictures of cricketers just like Rajan, but found them to be boring and monotonous. So how we know this? That is the answer of this. Let us see the second one. Rajam is honest. It's given in paragraph number 3. How we know it? Let us see. How we know Rajam is honest. So see. Rajam is very straightforward in letting Swaminathan know that he himself does not know how to play cricket despite being a fan and collecting pictures and scores. So this is the thing we know, that how he was honest. Okay. Number 3. Rajam has a vivid imagination. How we know that? It says paragraph number 19. Let us see the third one. Rajam instantly had a vision of a newspaper report stating that the jumping stars had thrust the board school when Swaminathan suggested the name Jumping Star. Okay, so we know that how he has a different types of vision in him. Then Rajam is a new friend to Swaminathan, paragraph 37. How we know this? So we know this. We know this with this line, that Swaminathan says something about Rajam is being Wellers, and that is a rich school. This shows that Rajam is new in Swaminathan's school and is therefore a new friend. Okay, and then the last, here we are going for this, that Swaminathan worries and takes his worries to an extreme. Paragraph 42. How we know this? So we will see how we know this. Swaminathan found ways to complicate the simplest of things by wondering about government taxes and who had to pay them to, and went on to worry about people could who could pretend to be the government and cheat them. He worried about committing treasons if he had to send the money to the governor by money order. He even worried about the taxed amount. So how his worries becomes extreme? It says like that. The question answer. Answer the following questions. It says firstly, what do we know about Rajam and Swaminathan's cricket knowledge and cricket skill. Paragraph 1 to 13 it says. So first is Rajam is knowledgeable about cricket. He collects photos and remember the sports of popular cricketers, although he does not know how to play the sport. Swaminathan collects photos and tries to remember sports in vain, just to be like Rajam. He does not to play the sports either. ठीक है दूसरा देखेंगे. Why do you think the boys are starting a cricket club? So the boys are starting a cricket club to beat the board school team that thinks they cannot be beaten. They also want the glory and fame that would come if they manage to beat the other team. Number three. Number three, that is Hope's team, isn't it? They may drag us before a court if we take their name. It says one. Why does Swaminathan thinks this is a possibility? So he thinks that they could be taken to court they if they name their club MCC, that is Malgudi Cricket Club, as Hobo's club is named as the same Marylebone Cricket Club. Number B. What are the two reasons that we learn about Swaminathan from this? So it is evident that Swaminathan worries too much unnecessary that takes things to an extreme. Okay. He also thinks he is knowledgeable and is trying to show off to Rajan too, so that he could get closer to Rajan. Okay. Now question number 4. Auxiliary Union Champion 11. What is common to both these names? Okay, so they were the last names Swaminathan was able to think of, and they are combination and repetition of the names he has already suggested. Okay. Do you think Rajam's clubs, as it is at this moment, will live up to these names, and why? No, it would not, as they haven't even formed the full playing 11 to form a team. At Swaminathan and Rajam cannot even play the game, so it is not possible for them to immediately achieve what they are demanding of. Question number 5. How do we know that Rajam takes the cricket club very seriously? Paragraph 30. So he strongly believes in his cricket club and tells Swaminathan that people would be afraid of for them. He is taking his club very seriously and believes that all other teams and clubs would be afraid to play them. Question number 6. The people would be afraid of us. Why would the two boys wish for this? So the boys want all other cricket teams to be afraid of their own club. They wish to be the best club that could beat all the teams. Question number 7. I mean, if we don't pay tax, the government demands 2 taxes from us. What does Swaminathan think the government will do if they do not pay tax? Swaminathan thought the government would not recognize their team, and that 100 other teams might take up their name, resulting in complications if they did not pay their taxes to the government. Number B. What is Rajam's solutions to this problem, and why does Swaminathan not accept this solution? तो देखते हैं. Rajam's solutions was to have 2 names, one name for ordinary use and the other for matches. Answer number C is from here, that Swaminathan thought that Rajam's solution was suitable for Rich teams like bowlers but not suitable for their club. He also thought that the government could not complicate things but asking for two taxes from them. Question number 8. Swaminathan seemed to be an expert in thinking out difficulties. What emotion do you think Rajam is feeling at this point? देखिए आंसर है Rajam is starting to feel that that starting a cricket club is more trouble than he had estimated. He is starting to feel a little confused and overwhelmed. Question number B. How is Swaminathan making matters worse? So he made matters worse by worrying about taxes and going on about irrelevant detail and complicities when there was no need to. Question number 9. Swaminathan is utterly confused at the end. What are the details in paragraph 42 that supports this statement? See, he is very confused. The issue of Texas for forming a new cricket club has invaded his mind, and he complicates matters for himself by worrying about unnecessary details, paying the taxes to his majesty or the viceroy. Somebody cheating them by pretending to be the government committing treason and wondering what the taxes about amount was. ठीक है बेटा इसके बाद जो अप्रिशिएटिंग जो टेक्स्ट है ये जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसमें नहीं, ये वीडियो लॉन्गर होगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अंडरस्टैंडिंग द टेक्स्ट और बाकी की एक्सरसाइजेस को डिस्कस करेंगे. टिल दैट टाइम थैंक यू सो मच.